Welcome to Ultra Car Quest, where we explore the latest and most exciting two-wheelers made for Indian roads. In today's video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Hero Passion 125 Pro, an Indian bike designed for daily commuters who want style, comfort, mileage, and reliability in one smart package. The 2026 Hero Passion 125 Pro is the newest upgrade in Hero MotoCorp's popular Passion lineup. This bike is specially built for Indian riders who travel daily for work, college, or family needs. With a refined engine, modern features, and a trusted brand name, the Passion 125 Pro continues Hero's legacy of practical and affordable motorcycles. The bike is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and consistent performance. It is tuned for city riding, offering quick acceleration in traffic and relaxed cruising on highways. The engine focuses on fuel efficiency while maintaining low vibrations, making it ideal for long daily rides on Indian roads. Mileage is one of the strongest points of the Hero Passion 125 Pro. Thanks to Hero's advanced fuel-saving technology, the bike is expected to deliver excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective option for middle-class Indian families. It is perfect for riders who want low running costs without compromising performance. The 2026 model comes with a fresh and modern design. It features a stylish headlamp, new body graphics, a comfortable seat, and a premium finish. The overall look is sporty yet elegant, keeping in mind the taste of Indian commuters who want a smart-looking everyday bike. Comfort is a key highlight of this Indian bike. The upright riding posture, wide seat, and improved suspension setup ensure a smooth ride even on rough roads. Whether riding solo or with a pillion, the Passion 125 Pro offers stability and confidence in daily use. The bike includes modern features such as digital analog instrument cluster, side stand engine cutoff, improved braking system, and reliable tires for better road grip. These features make the bike safer and more convenient for everyday Indian traffic conditions. The 2026 Hero Passion 125 Pro is a well-balanced Indian commuter bike that delivers strong mileage, reliable performance, comfortable riding, and trusted durability. It is an excellent choice for riders looking for a practical, stylish, and affordable 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle. Stay connected with Ultra Car Quest for more latest bike updates and reviews.